Alright, so I got a custom pair of pants I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, they're just old Levi's 511 Slims that I had from my school days that I was no longer wearing. So I decided to go crazy and put fire on them because everybody likes fire. All I used was acrylic paint and I put fire on them. Here's a back view of the pants, not really much going on. There's a little bit more subtle, like what, flaring, whatever the fuck that's called when fire like goes up and shit. I don't know. I did that more on the back because the front has the fake blood splatter going on. So next I'm gonna give y'all 3 looks. I just burped my soul out. So next I'm gonna give y'all 3 looks that I've used when I'm styling these pants, wearing them places. Alright, so tradition states that the worst fit is the first fit. And you can clearly see I abide by that to a T. Up top, we've got the, charger cap that I wear when my hair is a mess, because my hair is a mess all the time. On bottoms, we got the red, gray, black hoodie that you've seen on places like Amazon, which is, of course, my size, but my size is, I wear oversized things. So this is like a medium, because, the pants are rather slim, but they're not, like, tapered, so it's like, it's a weird, casual fit, Second fit, I actually had a theme. I was thinking, like, hip-hop and rap-inspired outfits, and since my hair's a mess, I wore the bandana, like JID, and I was like, well, shoot, it's one good rapper, let's put on a bad rapper, and I got the Eminem t-shirt. If I don't hate Eminem, I like young Eminem, right? When he was actually having fun. Nowadays, he's just yelling at the new generation of hip hop, and he makes music for tryhards, like all that kill him with a minute and all that bullshit. Well, we don't come here for my rap views. I'm a JPEG Mafia fan. So shut the fuck up. Third outfit, I was thinking, do something oversized. So here we go. Here's the E-boy skater, oversized, whatever. So we got the XL Vans t-shirt on top of the XL hoodie, which hangs on me like a blanket. And up top we have a beanie. Yeah, this is probably my favorite look. But I know you guys are gonna ask me to tuck it in, so here's me tucking it in. I look like a nub and I hate it. So when I do rock this, I do just rock it long, so that way I just look like a walking bed. Alright, and that's gonna do it for the custom flame jeans. Some things I forgot to mention, they do sit weird when wearing socks, so it's advised that I always try to wear like a bulky or big shoe when I do rock them so they stack properly at the feet. Next time I do tuck in or do a tuck look, I'm gonna try and get a belt. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all next time.